Hey guys, so if you have the heating issues, I just want to make this video for you. And then some people reported also that the phone feels a little bit hot if I hold it for a long period of time. So yes, that people report that they had heating issues with this phone, and I just want to make this like quick video for you. So if it's going to be straight up after even like 2-3 days, like too much, you can just like replace it, but that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.